Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to remove Twitter account from Facebook. First of all, you can open the Facebook application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the menu option at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it, and here you can just simply scroll down. Now tap on settings and privacy. Now then tap on settings again. And here you will just simply scroll down and here you will find the option apps and websites. In your activity section, tap on apps and websites, and here you can just simply scroll down. You will find the Twitter account here. If you find the Twitter account, you can just simply tap on the Twitter account, and now you can tap on remove, and this is the way you can remove Twitter account from Facebook. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.